day and it all begins again. Let's go back to the gym. On the plus side, I weighed myself, obviously I weigh myself every Wednesday. I weighed myself this morning, excuse me, and I lost 4 pounds, so you know, it's working. This extra workouts I'm putting in, so if I can do 4 pounds in 2 days, let's see how much I can do in a week. Hopefully a stone would be nice. Oh, stone a week for 8 weeks, that would be perfect. Well, probably not quite that much, but so yeah, we're back to it. Which way am I going to go? Do we want the rough path or the roadway? Oh, let's go this way. Oh, I've just made myself really dizzy. Ugh. Hi everyone, welcome. Just making a very, very slow walk. Couldn't bring either of my wheelchairs, not enough room in the car. So Mum's dropped me off as close as possible. And I'm just making a very, very slow walk. They've gone to park and they're going to meet me in a minute. So, right, yeah, we've come to watch dragon boat racing this morning. So, it's a lovely day. It's nice and hot. Just waiting for everybody now. I thought they'd be here by now, and they're not. So you see over my shoulder, it looks like Captain Jack Sparrow's here. Ooh, it's very exciting.
That's Moana. That's a girl. Are we allowed to clap?
You want Go on, Jack. Come on, have a play. Oh, he doesn't like it. In a minute, go and have a play. Go with Corey, go with Chloe. Look at that. What is she doing?
I thought James Jones kept Jen on the floor.
No, that's a bit.
Yeah, maybe I can come back. They're not all on at the same time, either.
Chloe, did you find something else to do rather than stick your face in it? Jackson playing now. Oh, he's rescuing it now. Back home now. A really, really lovely morning. Went to the dragon boat racing, then went over to Great Big Park over the other side, which me and Mum went and had a look round the one part because they have a flower festival there and it's really, really pretty. Then there's an outdoor playground and this outdoor splash park area, so yeah, really nice. So home now, and I'm about to go for a little nap because I am absolutely done in. Hello! And we are off for another day of grueling punishment. Oh, I can barely move today after that core stability class yesterday. Jeez, the pain is unreal. I am aching in places I didn't even know I had. Right, let's go round this way today. It's a nice day today. Yesterday it rained all day, it was horrible. So today it's really lovely. But it's such a mixed bag, you just don't know what to dress for. So, yeah, so just off to the gym, no classes, just nice, quiet day. So, we'll see you when we get there. No one else here. All on my lonesome. Oh, this hurts. This hurts a lot. Oh man. How long? I've only done 20 minutes and it's killing me. Keep going. Right, just finished tonight's core stability class. This vlog is actually stretched over quite a long time, so ending the vlog just because I hadn't done much this week, so it's sort of gone on a bit longer than I meant it to. After last week's core stability, I weighed myself. I'd actually lost 9 pounds just from doing that class, so let's see what the scales bring tomorrow. Try and get through. Right then, I'll see you next time. Bye.